To me, like Cyclotron Road is a collection of like really bright entrepreneurs working really hard to solve some of the most challenging problems.
So 40% of all US energy is put into the building envelope. Our ability to retrofit and make these buildings efficient could make a significant impact in the world.
If we can harness the green power of biology and apply it to chemical manufacturing, then we're going to have a much more sustainable path to making all of these different materials.
So we're making carbon nanotubes so that they can go into circuit foundries. And what that's going to mean is that you can make computer chips that are much faster because of the performance of carbon nanotubes. You can make wireless circuitry to enable high speed, high bandwidth, wireless communication.
I'm perfectly happy in a lab, but I tend to look at things and say, but why are we doing it that way?
I really like solving real problems. And I felt that the most efficient way to solve real problems is to go and take a technology that I developed and that I believe in and try to scale it up.